Hey, what's up guys? This is Spencer from Pixel and Bracket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a thank you page to a contact form on your Wix website. If you have a contact page on your site like this one in front of us here, you can actually select whether or not you get a message or go to a specific page or location on your site after you submit all your information in the contact form. So to do that, to add a thank you page, we need to actually add a page to our site. I'm going to go up to menus and pages, and this pops open our site menu. Now you notice I already have a thank you page created. The way I did that was I went down to add page, and that's going to create a new blank page. This page we can rename, let's say thanks you, and then we can hit done. So that's how you add a page. I'm going to go ahead and delete this one since we already have a thank you page set up. So on this thank you page, all I've done is added a little text element here and here that says thank you, we'll be in touch soon. Now I want this page to be hidden on my site, so I need to make sure to click the little three dots, the ellipses, and instead of showing this page, which now pops up in our menu, we need to hide the page. Once it's hidden, it's sort of like a secret location on our site that we can send our users to. So once we've got that completed, we need to go back to our contact form. We can select our contact form and go into the settings. In here, we can actually scroll down to a little location that says when people submit this form, what do? Do we show a message? No, I actually want it to open a link. What is this link? Well, we can add a link, and this link can be anything. It could be a page, an anchor, a lightbox, anything you want. In this case, we have a page, and that page is going to be the thank you page. So I can open that up in the current window or in a new window, doesn't matter, and I can hit done. So now when people submit the form, it opens up our thank you page. So I'm going to exit out of this and we're going to preview really quick and see what that's like. So we're going to do name, how about Spencer, email, we'll do Pixel and Bracket, and then I'm going to leave the rest of this blank. We're going to submit, and it takes us to that thank you page. And from there you could navigate back to any other location on the website, like the home page. So that's how you add a custom thank you page to your contact form on your Wix website. If you guys have any questions, or if you want to know how to add a contact form, you can check out my other tutorial on that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you guys next time.